Hello. Hi. Hello everyone. Hello. How you guys doing? Hello. Thank you. Yeah, last time was a bit a mess, but I'm back. uh, yeah. Thank you. Thank you guys. From now on, I'm gonna be doing live here, Instagram. I can't do it on TikTok anymore. Hello. Hungry? Now I'm hungry. I just ate. Thank you. They ban us from TikTok now, so yeah. I don't know why. I think we was a little bit naughty last time. Yeah. So naughty girls. Thank you. I don't know about the queen there, but I always the burp one. Always burping. Always. And any one of you guys watch the last one? Popcorn, yes, thank you. Thank you. Goddess. Probably, yeah. I agree with you, yeah. You so you see so much worse over there than what we done last time, I don't know why.